Greetings and warm welcome you all to the Sportlim YouTube channel, world first YouTube channel for athletics technical official. Today, our special guest, Dr. S. Saraboji, Principal, Aditya College of Physical Education, Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh, with us to deliberate more on Olympics. Welcome you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
The Greece gave us a beautiful world sports festival that is Olympics. The Olympic Games are considered the world's foremost sports competition with more than 200 nations participating in it. The first modern Olympic Games held under the auspices of IOC. It was hosted in the Panathinaikos Stadium in Athens in the year 1896. The Games brought together 14 nations with 241 athletes who competed 43 events in 9 sports. The first Olympic Games held for 10 days. The 32nd Olympic Games Tokyo 2020 is to be held from 23rd July to 8th August 2021, in which a total of 206 countries, including a refugee team, took part in 33 sports of 50 disciplines in 339 events with 11,092 participants. With this, today we are going to discuss more about Olympics with our guest. Sir, in your view, what are the special features in this Olympics?
Yes, sir. This is the first Olympic Games in the history. The International Olympic Committee organizes the Olympic Games without a spectator. The second one is, this is the Asia's 4th Olympiad. Second time for Tokyo. The Tokyo earlier organized the 1964 Olympics. 1980 at Seoul, South Korea, and 2008 Beijing, China organized the Games for Asia. Most importantly, Tokyo will become only 5 cities at the time to have hosted Summer Olympic Games on 2 occasions, together with Athens, Paris, London, and Los Angeles. The third one is there were 28 games organized in 2016 Rio Olympics. This time, 33 games will be organized at Tokyo 2020 Games. And India is going to take part 18 sports. The fourth one is a pleasure news for every Indian. Indian athletics team participates Olympic athletics introductory track and field event mixed 4x400 meters relay first time.
Sir, what are the new sports added in Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games?
Sure. The Tokyo 2020 will see karate, sports climbing, surfing, and skateboarding make their Olympic debuts, as well as the return of baseball and softball.
Sir, what are the sports organized in all Olympic Games since 1896 to 2020?
Directly, I go into the answer. Mother of all sports: athletics, gymnastics, fencing, and cycling. These 4 sports you can see in all Olympic Games.
Officially, how many days are required to conduct Olympic Games?
I wish to give a brief explanation before the answer. In the 1896 Olympic were organized 10 days. In 1908 London Olympics organized 187 days. These games were longest in modern Olympic history. IOC, International Olympic Committee, standardized 17 days in 1996 Atlanta Olympics. Since 1996, the game have ordinarily lasted 17 days.
Sir, where the athletes will be accommodated?
Definitely, the athlete will be accommodated at the Olympic Village. In 1932, Los Angeles, an Olympic Village was built for the first time and became a model for future games. The athletes will be accommodated, not only athletes, team officials, coaches who are associated with the games will be accommodated at the Olympic Village.
Sir, many of us, we have a doubt on opening and closing ceremony protocol, because in schools and colleges, everyone will conduct this inaugural ceremony in a different order of the program. So is there any protocol for that?
Definitely, International Olympic Committee drafted a fantastic opening and closing ceremony protocol. In the screen, you will get clearly regarding this opening and closing ceremony protocol. We have to follow. The first one is event and entry. The second one is playing the national anthem. Third one is, here you can see the parade of athletes. Fourth one is official speeches. Fifth one is Olympic laurel. Sixth one is the symbolic release of doves. The seventh one is the head of the state declare the games open. Eighth one is raising the Olympic flag and playing the Olympic anthem. Ninth one is the taking of the Olympic oath by a competitor. 10th one is the taking of the Olympic oath by an official. 11th one is the taking of the Olympic oath by a coach. The 12th one is this is the right time for everyone. We have to concentrate in the Olympic flame and torch relay. And the last one is the artistic program of the host country.
Sir, is it necessary to follow this order of the program compulsorily in our sports meet?
Yes, sir. We have to follow, but in the place of 5, if you wish to honor any sportsman, you can utilize 0.5, and all other things we have to follow.
Sir, what is the meaning of symbolic release of doves?
Yes, sir. Fantastic question. There is a symbolic release. There is no live birds released after 1992 Olympics. 1998 Seoul Olympics, doves were released before the Olympic Games. Sit on the cauldron, cauldron, Olympic flame where we have to lit, While during the Olympic flame lit, many doves burn alive. That it has become a big issue in the international stand. So the Olympic Committee decided not to release the live birds. The 1992 Olympics released 1 hour before the opening ceremony. The doves released 1 hour before the opening ceremony. Then 1996 onwards, there is no live doves release. Instead of balloons or toys, doves is released. That is the reason, sir.
Sir, many of the sports meet conducted by schools and colleges, they kept declares sports meet open after the torch relay. Is it right?
That is wrong, sir. We are inviting the guest. He has to declare the meet. That is the honor for him. Then only the Olympic programs like Olympic anthem, Olympic flag, oath has to be followed. Everything is completed. What is the use of inviting the guest? He has to declare the meet open. Then only point number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 has to be happen.
So in our meet, whether we can use Olympic flag or our meet flag?
No, meet flag, whichever meet, district meet, state meet, or association meet, that flag has to be raised.
Okay, sir. Regarding the oath, whether we have to use the Olympic oath or meet oath?
Meet oath only. The Olympic oath is something different,
Sir, in the oath taken process, oath taken by competitor, official, and coaches, where they are from?
Definitely the host country, because of the big opportunity, they will not give anybody. The history says the host country athletes only taken so far.
So suppose if a meet conducted by Manonamuniam Sundaranar University, maybe the inter-university athletic championship. In such conditions, whether the Manonamuniam Sundaranar University use its athletes for both official, vote for the official, vote for the coaches, and vote for the competitor?
Compulsory. The host city, the host college. For example, what you say, the MS University, official oath MS University, coaches oath MS University, and competitor oath by MS University only.
Sir, you have clarified many doubts which were raised in many of our minds. Thank you so much. You have given a clear-cut idea about the opening ceremony protocol. Sir, what about the closing ceremony?
Yeah, you can see a closing ceremony protocol on the screen. The same entry and welcome of the head of the state, playing the national anthem, entry of the national flag, followed by the parade of athletes, that is march past, victory ceremony, introduction of the Athletes Commission newly elected members, and recognition of the volunteers. The seventh one is moment of remembrance. Eighth one is playing the Greek national anthem. Ninth one is lowering the Olympic flag and flag handover ceremony. And 10th one is next host city artistic segment. And 11th one is organizing committee of Olympic Games president speech and International Olympic Committee president speech. The final one is existing of the Olympic flame.
Sir, I can able to remember that as you said in the opening ceremony, wherever Olympic flag, Olympic oath will come, we have to replace with the meat flag. The same order here in 9th, lowering the Olympic flag, where it is advised to use the meat flag. Am I right, sir?
Compulsory. Sir. Yes, sir. Correct.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for your information. Next, we move on to the important aspects of the opening ceremony. The event we call it as a March Past. Sir, March Past led by which team?
Definitely the Greece, because in the year 1928, for the first time, the Parade of Nations started with the Greece, which holds the origin of the Olympics, everyone knows, and entered with the host country, a tradition which has also continued ever since 1928.
So this time, I would have seen a country led by 2 members of their team with their national flag. In this picture, you are seeing that our Indian team led by our hockey captain Manpreet Singh and former world #1 boxer Mary Kom. Why and what is the reason?
I know company pledged to work towards the gender equality. So it has sent a circular to the All National Olympic Committee to send 2 flag bearers for the first time in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. Many countries followed, few countries failed to follow. There is a reason behind the 2 flag bearers holds this national flag of the concerned country.
Sir, and one more question again, I was in this picture. Next to the Greece, a team led by a captain with the Olympic flag. See in the picture, all the members of the team hold Olympic flag in their hand. Who are they and why?
Yeah, very good question. They are called Refugee Olympic Team. They are all comes under the Olympic flag because the entire sponsor, training, team selection, all goes to International Olympic Committee. That is the reason they are coming under the Olympic flag.
How they selected for the Olympic Games?
Yeah, throughout the world, there are 56 Olympic refugee athletes are living in various countries. The International Olympic Committee selects depending upon their performances and send them to the Olympics. This happened first in the year 2016 Rio Olympics. This is the second time. The first time, only 10 athletes took place. The second time, 26 athletes, 29 athletes taking part in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics.
I understood that IOC recognizes all talent throughout the world through this. Thanks for your nice information. Sir, suppose if a member of a refugee team won a gold medal, which country national anthem will be played in the victory ceremony?
I read this as a class one question. All the countries have a national anthem. Like International Olympic Committee has the anthem. If the refugee team athletes win a gold medal, the Olympic anthem will be played along with the Olympic flag.
Thank you, sir. You have added many information about the March Past and subsequent events of the opening ceremony. Sir, my next question. What is the prize money for medal winners?
The medal only will be given. There is no cash award. For the first 3 places athlete, gold, silver, and bronze will be awarded along with certificates, gold medalist pin and gift, like that, silver medal and bronze medal. But for the 4th to 8th places, they will be recognized only with diplomas, Olympic medalist pin and gift. That's all. There is no cash award.
Yeah, winning a medal itself a pride for an individual as well as for the nation concerned. Sir, it is said that each of the colors in the Olympic ring represent to a certain continent. Is it true?
See, Dr. Seth, sir, first, there is the statement is wrong. And the Olympic Committee symbol, the Olympic rings, expresses the activity of the Olympic movement and represent the union of the 5 continents and the meeting of athletes from throughout the world at the Olympic Games. It is wrong to say that each of the color corresponded to a certain continent.
Sir, really, it's a good information. I would like to share to the viewers that most of us, we thought still today that each color corresponds to a continent. But as per our special guest, it represents the union among all the continent. That's a motto of our Olympic Committee. Thanks, sir. Thanks for your new information again and again. And one more question. How many years before the host city will be selected?
Usually 7 years before the host city of Olympics will be selected. But for the 2028 Los Angeles and 2032 Brisbane Games has been selected 11 years before the Olympic Games, because we have to spend a lot of money. We need much infrastructure. So the host city normally selected 11 years before the opening ceremony of Olympics.
Thank you so much for giving more and more information about Olympics. Dear viewers, day to day, you can join with us to update information on Olympics until August 8, 2021. On behalf of you all and my own behalf, I extend my sincere thanks to our special guest, Dr. S. Saraboji. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Once again, thank you all for your nice support and giving your valuable comments in the comment box, as well as calling through mobile and sending message to the organizers of the Sportlib YouTube channel. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.